Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Morning, guys. So starting today, we are gonna start making a series of vlogs about Rise daily life, starting off with me, this chief marketing officer. So I am up. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing is feeding Ronan, the dog of the ranch. Sit. Hey, come here. Ah, you crazy boy. Hey, no. Don't go out to GoPro. Yeah. Ooh, you're about to break your leash. Now. Hey, sit. Hey. Sit. Wait. Sit. Go. Good boy. Alrighty. Well, we are done feeding Ronan. On to the next one. Got a couple things going on today. We got an orange sale. I gotta go set up all the tables and chairs, get the canopies up, and then we gotta do some sales, join the community. We'll get some videos showing you guys our community, the ranch, what we do here. But this is daily life here, right? All right, guys, I'm a little hungry right now. We got done setting up, so I'm gonna go to Last Kitchen and grab some food. Last Kitchen right here. Good sponsor of Rise, a good friend of Rise. But we're gonna go get some food and join us inside. So we made it inside Last Kitchen. We put it on orders. I got a Thai boat. So in a moment here, I'll show you guys a Thai boat. If you guys don't know about Lao Kitchen, there's a Lao kitchen here, Lao restaurant here in Fresno, located on Fowler and Belmont? Fowler and Kings Canyon. So it's a really good restaurant. Stop by right next to GP3. So come get your food, try out their food. They're a major sponsor for Rise. So guys, this is the Thai bowl. It has fried pork belly, it has meatballs, it has beef tri-tips with beef skins, it has cabbage, you have your condiments in it. It's really good. I love it. It's my favorite food here at Last Kitchen. Yeah, it's good. Alrighty, so we're done with getting food. We're here at Home Depot to get some parts for the ranch. We are back at the ranch. What's up, Austin?
What's up?
Back at the ranch. There's a lot of customer here today. So about, what do you say, about 10, 20 people is here today?
Yep.
Yeah, who do we got else here? I got Kyle, our boy Kyle right here.
Guys? Just here manning the booth.
So how are we doing today on sales, Kyle?
Today's been pretty good. We had a really good flow of people today, to the point where we actually ran out of buckets. We ran out of buckets to give out to people. I'm having Pal take a little rest right now. He's still recovering from his injury and everything. So I'm just kind of keeping an eye over, watching everyone. The kids love the bounce house. I love that they're engaging in the trees and picking oranges and everything, and then they're also having a lot of fun in the bounce house. Other than that, everything's going fine. It's Super Bowl Sunday, and the weather's great.
All right, pal. How you doing today, bud?
I'm doing okay. Still recovered.
Just trying to get some sunlight.
From my car injury.
Oh man, what happened?
I got hit by a Serato from the back.
Damn, how bad was it?
It was I got sandwiched in the middle, so I was like, please stop at 50 miles an hour. Hit me from the back.
It's all bad. Hope you feel better, man.
All right, thank you, man.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Have fun while selling oranges. Come karaoke with us. Every weekend. Every weekend. You come sing or jump in that jump house. And Danny here will sing along with you. Oh, Danny. Huh? Yeah, you karaoke.
Recording right now?
Hey, you are, yeah.
I mean, đây là bị cá rồi, chị cá xe à?
Hành mong vì mong đi ca rồi.
Em này bật chờ sau à?
Chưa,你有一双是啊？
你有一手是？我多摸一顿了。
都有。Stand there this time. Stand there. You can stand with your mom, so she's not stand with your mama. Right here.
Hả? Sợ là nó rồi. Sợ là nó có thay đổi nè. Sợ là nó có thay đổi nè rồi. Xin đi chỉ thay hả? It's just one for this one.
I'm good.
Okay. Ayo, kita thay kìa.
Embarrassing. I know it is.
It's not embarrassing. Let me record you.
Nope. It'd be like put down. Put down.
Ba tổ hả? Ba tổ hả? Mà lấy thay hả? I O P ý con gì? I O P ở cho
Đây ta cho nó to xuống đấy.
Lấy cái phanh đấy. What? Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, that again, it's only 40. Okay. Good.
Yeah. She's ready.
Yeah, I think so.
잠깐만. 우리가 곧 버드는요. 먹는 거야. 그렇지만 버드 보자. 또 태어나.
Bạn chị ta cái bé ở bán con gà chọi à? Gà chế à? Chơi cá chế.
Thì chín lù cho nó lo.
Chín lù à? Cái tàu lù cái bé cái tàu cái gà một bé gà đó này bài phải có chơi chế.
Xin đi chơi trắng.
Xin đi cơ. Gak lo nào của mày cha. Đây cái của mày cha.
Xin được con gái không hả?
Danny, switch with King. Take picture.
Okay. So she. Em bắt tổ. Ê, những cái khí tô lúc coi cùng phở tớ.
Take a picture first.
Ready, huh? 3, 2, 1. 一双击，背2、1。OK， 我做。
都不敢杀的，都不杀。
哦，要 right shot 嘅揸多晒度，多多啊。
It's on our page. Yeah, it's on our page.
Okay. That's good.
嗱，你坐喺度。
Alright, thank you.
我做呢套。Take care.
On the day.
On the day. Is there water? Is there still water there? There's more. Okay, mom, put more water.
Look at me in it.
Oh yeah, cause you're yeah. VA's gonna check everywhere. 都害怕哈。
哦，一律通了，那类哦。
哦，你知道哦，然後先。Might be that one. Yeah.
You good? Or you need another bag? We good. Good? Don't.
Yeah.
Or you want to just set this in?
嚟諗下拜啊share 咗啊豆沙咁樣講啊。
哦。Okay.
有冇 charge？ 我做啊。
有冇便宜哦？都便宜吼。
哦，OK。你而家
講落拜多。
攞做啦。
有冇人通哦？
也不能拿上。你踩了。Yeah.
Cindy. Okay. Hi, thanks for coming out. Hopefully we see you around some more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, say hi to your brother too. I don't know, he's not really in town right now. But
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
So what's your name?
It's Kate.
Kate?
Yeah, he'll know me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice
Nice to meet you too.
謝謝
多。我做啊。
嘛？
問你司機多啊？台邊冇份子啊？